Today, we're going to be unboxing the Honor X70 together. I believe this smartphone is particularly well suited for educational purposes, and it's exceptionally beneficial for middle school students as well as senior citizens. What makes it so remarkable? Well, we will delve into that in detail in a video later on. Let's begin with the unboxing. I acquired the white version, and within the packaging, there's simply the phone case along with the smartphone itself. Oh. They did not include a transparent case. It's soft silicone with a textured inside. Careful! Charger. 80 watts of power. Yes, indeed, 80 watts. At this cost, you still get 80 watts. Do you think it's fair or not? Take a look. Wait. Wow, there are intricate and highly elaborate flaky textures present on it, much like delicate and exquisitely detailed snowflakes. Anyway, I believe it appears quite good. In regions with light, you'll find intricate flaky textures. In dark areas, it looks more like a pure white. And there is a circular shape in this particular position. The texture is noticeably elevated. The sensation is quite similar to the experience of rubbing against a nail file. Turn on. Alright, I experienced the vibration, and regarding the frame, it's constructed from plastic with a reasonably good texture. Quite satisfactory. There are dual speakers located at both the top and bottom. Next, examine the buttons. There's a bit of looseness, but the pressing feel is good and comfy. I've already arrived at the desktop, and I believe the display appears quite impressive. Additionally, the bezel management is fairly satisfactory. As for the chin, take a look. Oh no. Its frame control is very well done. Upon entering the desktop environment, you'll find a large software package, around several gigabytes. We have enhanced the communication security of the media system. Let's try it out first, and then tomorrow I'll give everyone a detailed sharing of the experience. If there's anything you want to know, feel free to send a private message or leave a comment.